Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation of code conversion, we are going to see code conversion of XS3 to BCD code. Now we already know that what is XS3 code and what is BCD code. But here we need to convert XS3 to BCD. So we are having an input of XS3 code and output of BCD code. But input conditions depend upon the output here. Yet we don't know how many numbers of input bits will be required. So let us try to find out. Where our desired output is BCD, that is nothing but the binary coded decimal, and we all know that BCD number corresponds to 0 to 9. Now to represent these 0 to 9 numbers in binary, we require 4 bits. So definitely XS3 code is of 4 bits. So 4 bit XS3 we need to convert into BCD. So output is 4 bit, that's why input is also 4 bit. So for 4 bits we need to have 16 combinations starting from 0 to 15. Okay, so let us make a truth table for that. So what we have here is a truth table having the first column is decimal equivalent, that will be showing the position of the code 0 to 15, for which we'll write down the combinations of E3, E2, E1, E0, that is nothing but 4 bit XS3 code, and the 4 bit BCD code B3, B2, B1, B0 is shown there. Let us first fill up all the 16 combinations for the XS3 code starting from equivalent for decimal 0 to 15. Okay, so here what we have is the 16 combinations of XS3 code and BCD codes that starts from 0. Okay, so for 0 the XS3 code is 3, that is nothing but this position. So for XS3 code BCD is 0. So let me write down the BCD code here. So BCD code is 0 0 0 0. So this indicates me that first 3 combinations are don't cares, so for which output is also not present. That means for XS3 combinations of 4 bits, these 3 combinations 0 1 2, it will not be a valid output. So these are the don't care conditions that we have to put here. So for these combinations, first 3 combinations of the XS3, output will be don't care for the BCD. So let me put here don't care conditions. But here as the XS3 code suggests that it's having value 3, so the equivalent BCD will be 0, because for 0 XS3 means what, 3 digit extra to this 0 0 0 0 combinations, I will add up 3, that is nothing but 0 0 1 1, the answer will be XS3 code. So it will think vice versa, for XS3 code 0 0 1 1, the BCD code will be 0 0 0 0. That's why the first 3 inputs are the don't care cases. Okay, now starting from 4 to onwards we have the BCD codes. For XS3 4 we have BCD 0 0 0 1. Now it will be adding up linearly, because each of the digit is added up linearly one by one by the one digit, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. So here it will go from 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So for 5 the BCD code is 2, 6 it is 3, for 7 it is 4. Likewise I will complete the table. For number 12, here the XS3 code is 1100, that is corresponding to 12. So BCD code will be 9. So for 9 I have 1001. So these are the valid BCD codes from 0 to 9. And if we go from 13, try to find out the code of 13 XS3. So this is the XS3 code for the decimal number 10, but 10 is not a valid BCD. That's why again I have to put here a don't care condition, because number 10, for which the XS3 code is 1101, is not a valid BCD, because we are coding for binary coded decimal and 10 number is not there in the BCD format. Only 0 to 9 numbers are there, that is nothing but these numbers starting from 0 all the way to 9. 0 to 9, that is nothing but BCD valid outputs. For rest of the cases you need to put don't care. So again I'll put here don't care conditions for last three outputs.